Hey everyone, ever wondered how banks keep up with all those rules and regulations? Let's shine a spotlight on the power of Lean Six Sigma in compliance and reporting. Picture this. Banks are like diligent students, and Lean Six Sigma is the study guide making sure they ace the test every time. Step 1. Decode the rules. Navigating the maze of regulations to understand what's required. Step 2. Streamline processes, simplifying compliance tasks, reducing paperwork, and minimizing manual errors. Step 3. Implement checks, building automated controls, conducting regular audits, and ensuring all boxes are ticked. Step 4. Perfect the reports, enhancing accuracy, timeliness, and transparency in regulatory reporting. What's the result? A banking system that's not just compliant, but also efficient, trustworthy, and always on the ball. So the next time you hear about banking compliance, remember Lean Six Sigma is the unsung hero, making it all seamless and accurate. Hit like, share the insights, happy learning.